English Core Class 12 Term 2 Chapter Should Wizard Hit Mommy? Let's go through the gist and test yourself questions for better understanding. There was the father Jack who used to tell one story every night to his daughter Jo. Storytelling session had started when Jo was 2 years old. Presently in the story, she was 4 years old. She had become more curious and used to ask more questions. She had become inquisitive. Jack sometimes would answer these questions. What was the name of the father? So the name of the father was Jack. What was the name of the daughter? The name of the daughter was Jo. When had the storytelling session started? So the storytelling session had started 2 years back. Next question, how old was Jo when the storytelling session had started? So the answer, at that time she was 2 years old. Next question, how old was Jo in the story presently? Jo was 4 years old in the story presently. Next question, what change had come in Jo's behavior? So Jo had become inquisitive, she had become curious, she had started asking more questions. Seventh question, how would Jack react? So Jack would answer sometimes. So in the usual story which Jack used to tell Jo every night for last 2 years, there happened to be a character named Roger. Roger could be any creature, but the name remained constant. That was Roger. Every Roger would have a problem. Then Roger would go to the wise owl. The wise owl would send him to the wizard. The wizard would solve the problem. But Roger would have less money to pay fee to the wizard. So he would go to the magic well, take 3 rounds of the well, and he would get money. He would pay fee to the wizard. He would return home and play with his friends. And the concluding point in the story happened to be that Roger's father would return from work from Boston. So this used to be the usual story every night. Now answer question number 8. Who used to be the central character in the story? So the central character used to be Roger. Next question, what would the central character be facing? So the central character would be facing a problem. Next question, where would the central character go? So the central character would go to the wise owl. Where would he be sent to? So the wise owl would send him to the wizard. Question 12. Who would solve the problem? So the wizard would solve the problem. Question 13. Who would have less money? Roger would have less money. Next question. Why the money was needed? So the money was needed to pay fee to the wizard. Question 15. How would the central character get money? So Roger would go to the magic well, take 3 rounds and get money. Question 16. What would he do on getting money? So Roger would go and pay fee to the wizard. Next question. What would he do after paying off? So after paying off the fee to the wizard, Roger would return home and play with his friends. Question 18. What used to be the end point or the concluding point in the story? The concluding point would be when Roger's father would return from work from Boston. Now that Joe was 4 years old, Jack decided to pick up a real character with a real problem. So he picked up the character Skunk. The name was same, that was Roger. So now Roger Skunk had a problem that he used to stink. Naturally, he went to the wise owl who sent him to the wizard. The wizard solved the problem by giving him fragrance of roses. As usual, Roger had less money, so he went to the magic well and took 3 rounds. He got money, paid to the wizard, returned home, and played with his friends. Now the concluding point should have been father returned from work from Boston. Every night for last 2 years, this happened to be the concluding point in the story. Now answer these questions. Question 19. Who was the real character picked up by Jack? So the real character was Roger Skunk. Next question. Why was the real character picked up by Jack? So the real character was picked up by Jack as Joe was already 4 years old and she was passing through the reality phase. Next question. What was the real problem? So the real problem was that Roger Skunk used to stink. Next question. Where did the real character go? So as usual, he went to the wise owl. Next question. Where was he sent to? So as usual, the wise owl sent him to the wizard. Question 24. How was the problem solved? So the wizard gave Roger Skunk the fragrance of roses. Next question. How did the real character arrange the fee? So as usual, Roger Skunk went to the magic well, took 3 rounds and got the money. Next question. What did he do after paying off? So as usual, after paying off the fee to the wizard, Roger Skunk returned home and played with his friends. Question 27. What should have been the end point in the story? So the end point in the story, as usual, should have been that father of Roger Skunk returned from work from Boston. This should have been the end point in the story. Now that the concluding point had reached, Joe also concluded that the story had ended. So lying on the bed, she was ready to sleep off. Now Father Jack, he got annoyed as he himself hadn't told that story ended. He didn't want women to take things for granted. Even his 4-year-old daughter should not. So according to Jack, women should not take things for granted, even his 4-year-old daughter. And therefore he extended the story. So, question 28. What was Joe's reaction when the end point or the concluding point in the story was told by Jack? So, obviously, she took the ending for granted and lying on the bed, she was ready to sleep off. Next question. What did Joe do that annoyed Jack? So as we know now that Joe was ready to sleep off as she was lying on the bed and she had concluded herself that the story had ended. Next question. Why was Jack annoyed? So Jack was annoyed because he didn't like women to take things for granted, even his 4-year-old daughter. Next question. What did he feel bad of? He felt bad that he hadn't himself told that the story had ended. Next question. What did he do as his ego was hurt? So when Jack's ego was hurt, he extended the story. Now as the story proceeded, Mother Skunk came into the picture. Now Mother Skunk was unhappy due to fragrance of roses. For her, stinking was their identity of skunks. Therefore, she took an umbrella in her one hand, held Roger with other hand and went to the wizard. And then she beat the wizard with the umbrella. She told him to give back the stinking smell to her son Roger Skunk. So now Mother Skunk was the new character introduced by Jack in his extended story. Now let's go through the questions. Question 32. Who was the new character introduced by Jack? So the new character was Mother Skunk. Next question. What made the Mother Skunk unhappy? So Mother Skunk was unhappy because of the fragrance of roses which the wizard had given to Roger Skunk. Next question. How important was stinking for the Mother Skunk? So for the Mother Skunk, stinking was their identity and therefore she was unhappy. Next question. What did she hold in one of her hands and who did she hold with the other hand? So she held one umbrella in one of her hands and with the other hand he held Roger Skunk. Next question. What did Mother Skunk do? So Mother Skunk went to the wizard and beat him. Next question. Why did the Mother Skunk do so? So Mother Skunk did so. She beat the wizard because she wanted the foul smell, the stinking smell back with Roger Skunk. Little Joe was unhappy at the new ending. She didn't want Roger Skunk to stink as he had no friends because of that. She also didn't like that Mother Skunk had beaten the wizard without any reason. Roger Skunk had himself gone to the wizard, so there was no fault of the wizard. She told that now the wizard should also hit the mother back. She asked her father to extend the story and tell that the wizard should also hit the mother back. Now answer these questions. Why did Joe feel bad about Roger Skunk? Joe felt bad because Roger Skunk would again be alone without any friends. So the question is, why would Roger Skunk be alone again? So Roger Skunk would be alone again Because of his foul smell, his stinking smell, no animal liked to come close to him. Next question. What did Joe feel that the mother skunk had done wrong? Joe felt that Mother Skunk should not have beaten the wizard without any reason. Next question. Why shouldn't Mother Skunk have beaten the wizard? Mother Skunk shouldn't have beaten the wizard as there was no fault of the wizard. Roger Skunk had himself gone to him. Next question. How the wizard was not at fault? The wizard was not at fault because he had not called Roger Skunk. Roger Skunk had himself gone to him. Jack was in dilemma now. He was caught in an ugly middle position. He couldn't accept Joe's ending. What ending was suggested by Joe? That Roger Skunk should get back fragrance of roses and the wizard should also hit the mother back. Jack couldn't accept this ending because skunks stink, that's a natural fact. Then Joe would get the message that parents can also be wrong. Jack didn't want that. Jack's own childhood was lonely, and Jack's ego. So these were the factors that Jack couldn't accept Joe's ending. Answer yourself. Jack was in dilemma. He couldn't accept Joe's ending because what's a natural fact? That skunks stink. What message Jack didn't want to give to Joe? That parents can also be wrong. How was Jack's childhood? So Jack's childhood was also lonely. What problem Jack was facing right now? That was his ego. Now another problem was Jack's own ending was also not correct because punishment without reason is not justified, and also he didn't want to give the message to his own daughter that loneliness is normal. So that is why now Jack was caught in an ugly middle position. He was in dilemma now. So Jack's own ending was also not correct because what was not justified? Punishment without reason. And what message was wrong for his little daughter Joe? That loneliness was normal. Now Jack came where his wife was working, winding up the work, and Jack found himself in a cage with his wife. He felt himself in a cage with his wife. That is in a problem where there was no solution. In his story, Mother Skunk had caused a problem. So what Jack felt that all the mothers are responsible for the problems. His wife was a mother as well. So he felt anger for his wife as well because she was a mother also. And therefore he felt himself in a cage with his wife. So Jack found himself or felt himself in a cage with his wife because in his story who had caused problem? That was Mother Skunk. So what did Jack feel? That all the mothers, they cause problems only. His wife was a mother as well. So he felt anger for his wife also. So he felt himself in a cage with his wife. A cage, it was a problem with no solution. So here you have done the gist and highlights of the chapter. In the next video, we'll be going through the question answers. So thank you.